Ever imagined living in a luxury mansion on wheels? Traveling across the world without ever checking into a hotel? Never packing and unpacking? Never worrying about comfort or style? Today, we're exploring the top 7 biggest luxury motorhomes in the world in 2026. These aren't your ordinary RVs. These are multi-million-dollar rolling palaces designed for celebrities, billionaires, adventure enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to travel in the ultimate luxury. From hidden garages for supercars to rooftop lounges in the sky, these motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in style. Let's dive deep. Before we start, imagine this. You wake up in the middle of the desert, roll out of bed, step outside your motorhome, and your Ferrari is waiting for you, safely stored underneath your home. Sounds impossible? It's real, and some of the vehicles on this list do exactly that. The first motorhome we're looking at is the EarthRoamer LTi, the ultimate luxury off-road motorhome. If you love adventure but refuse to compromise on comfort, this is the vehicle for you. On the outside, it looks like a rugged, expedition-ready truck, built to tackle mountains, deserts, and forests. But the real magic is inside. Step in, and you're greeted with a warm, modern living space. The EarthRoamer LTi is fully equipped with solar panels, meaning you can go off-grid for days without worrying about power. The kitchen is fully functional with high-end appliances, perfect for cooking gourmet meals while traveling through remote locations. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed with premium bedding, ensuring restful sleep wherever you are. And the bathroom? Luxurious, functional, and designed for comfort. Every detail of the EarthRoamer LTi screams premium craftsmanship, from high-quality wood finishes to the ambient lighting that makes it feel like a cozy mountain cabin. Adventure and luxury meet perfectly here, making it ideal for those who want to explore the world without leaving comfort behind. Next, we have the Volkner Mobil Performance S. This is a motorhome that truly pushes the boundaries of imagination. Its most remarkable feature? A hidden garage beneath the main living area that can store a full-size luxury sports car like a Ferrari or Lamborghini. That's right, your car travels inside your house. Inside the motorhome, you're surrounded by opulence, marble floors, elegant lighting, a spacious master bedroom, and a kitchen with high-end appliances make this motorhome feel like a European luxury apartment. Every feature is designed to provide maximum comfort, convenience, and sophistication. The Volkner Mobil Performance S is perfect for someone who wants to travel in style while keeping their luxury lifestyle intact. It allows owners to move seamlessly between adventure, work, and leisure without leaving any of their essentials behind. The combination of cutting-edge engineering and luxury design makes it one of the most impressive motorhomes on this list. The Newell Coach P50 is widely considered an American masterpiece. What sets this motorhome apart is customization. Every Newell coach is built to the exact specifications of its owner, meaning no two units are identical. This motorhome is massive, featuring slide-outs that expand the interior space, heated floors for comfort, and a fully integrated smart home system that allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a simple touch. Inside, you'll find plush seating, premium materials, and finishes that rival five-star hotels. The Newell Coach P50 is designed for long journeys. Whether parked in a city, at a scenic lake, or on a mountain road, the coach offers comfort, privacy, and luxury in equal measure. It's perfect for people who want to travel extensively without sacrificing style or convenience. Next up is the Foretravel Realm FS6, a motorhome engineered for smooth rides and elegance. This vehicle is powered by a robust engine and a high-end suspension system that absorbs road bumps, making long journeys effortless. Inside, the Realm FS6 offers a spacious living area with premium furniture, a modern kitchen, and a luxury bathroom. Every surface is crafted with attention to detail, from polished countertops to elegant lighting fixtures. It's not just about aesthetics. The FS6 ensures comfort, functionality, and durability for travelers who demand the best. The Foretravel Realm FS6 is perfect for those who value both style and performance. It provides a smooth, luxurious ride while maintaining the elegance expected from a top-tier motorhome. It's the kind of vehicle that makes even a long highway journey feel like a five-star experience. At number 3, we have the Prevost H3-45 VIP, a favorite among celebrities, musicians, and high-profile individuals. Known for its massive size and durability, this motorhome offers a combination of luxury, performance, and functionality that few others can match. Inside, the Prevost H3-45 VIP features plush leather seating, high-end entertainment systems, and a sophisticated interior design. It's often used as a mobile home for long tours, offering privacy, convenience, and luxury on the road. Think of it as a private jet on wheels, large, elegant, and designed to impress. The H35 VIP is perfect for touring artists who need a mobile sanctuary or anyone who wants a spacious, premium motorhome with a blend of style and performance. It's a vehicle that combines the feeling of home with the power of mobility, making it a top choice for elite travelers. At number 2 is the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus, a motorhome that takes luxury to another level. Its interior features crystal chandeliers, marble floors, and gold-accented finishes, making every inch of the living space feel like a palace. The living room feels like a luxury penthouse, the bedroom offers ultimate comfort, and the bathroom rivals top-tier hotels. Advanced technology ensures convenience and entertainment at all times, and the spacious layout allows for easy movement and relaxation. The Platinum Plus is designed for travelers who want perfection in every detail, combining opulence, functionality, and the latest technology into a single vehicle. Every journey in this motorhome feels like an exclusive experience, tailored for those who want the very best in life. Finally, we have the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo Superior, the ultimate dream for anyone who loves luxury, technology, and futuristic design. Its aerodynamic shape, panoramic windshield, and bold structure make it stand out instantly. Inside, the Palazzo Superior offers a luxurious master bedroom, a stylish living room, and high-end interiors that rival the finest penthouses. But the most remarkable feature is the rooftop terrace or sky lounge, where you can relax, entertain, or enjoy breathtaking views. With features like advanced climate control, premium materials, and futuristic design elements, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury. With a price tag in the millions, it's the ultimate symbol of freedom, comfort, and style on the road. So these incredible motorhomes show that the concept of travel has evolved. No longer do we need to compromise comfort, style, or luxury. These vehicles combine engineering, design, technology, and opulence to create experiences that are as extraordinary as they are mobile. From off-grid adventures to rooftop terraces overlooking the ocean, these motorhomes turn every journey into a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So now the question is, if money wasn't a problem, which of these luxury motorhomes would you choose? Would you prefer the EarthRoamer LTi, the futuristic Palazzo Superior, or the ultra-luxurious Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus? Comment your choice below, we want to know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss content that takes you inside the world's most extraordinary lifestyles. Stay tuned for more insane luxury reveals, because the world is full of surprises waiting to be discovered.